Okay, so I'm making jasmine rice today. So I have in a bowl jasmine rice. So that's my 4 cups of jasmine rice. And I'm going to use 8 cups of water. I'm going to use salt and butter for flavor taste. So I'm using my Tefal large pot today, and this is what I usually used to make my family dinner on Sunday. So it's coated non-stick good size pot to make family meal, and I like the size of this pot. So if you want to purchase this, it's available on Amazon. You can check the link below to buy Tefal. Very good quality, very thick. So yeah, all right, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna measure my water and I'm gonna put that on the stove to boil before I add my rice. Okay, so again I have 8 cups of water. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to boil. I'm gonna add salt and butter. This salt is about a tablespoon of butter. So wash the rice well, drain the water, and then add the rice. Water, and then stir it, and then losing some of the water. It's not clumping together, so that's a good sign. So continue to stir it until all that water goes away, and then I'll turn the flame down and just let it do its thing. Let it cook. This is not a shelly fluffy rice, it is a sticky rice, but here you go. Let's see. So, this is a sticky rice. So this is jasmine rice, and it's now ready to be served.